In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pine script in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own custom indicator or strategy onto a chart. Quickly and confidently. First, log into TradingView and open any chart you want to work with. It can be any symbol or time frame. The process is the same. Look to the bottom of your screen for the Pine Editor tab. Click that to open the code editor. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the bottom panel isn't collapsed. Then expand it so the editor is visible. Inside the Pine Editor, head to the top right and click New. From the menu, choose Blank Indicator Script if you are building a visual indicator, or choose Strategy if your code is meant to backtest entries and exits. Indicators display values or visuals, while strategies simulate trades and performance, so pick the one that matches your script's purpose. You'll see some default template code load in the editor. Select all of that and delete it so you are working with a clean slate. Now paste your Pine script code into the editor. Take a moment to confirm that your code uses the correct Pine version and that any inputs or plot calls match what you expect. If there are issues, the editor will highlight errors and show messages at the bottom, pointing you to the exact line that needs attention. Fixing those before moving on will save time. If you are adapting code from somewhere else, make sure it's complete and not missing required functions or settings. Next, save your work. Click the Save button at the top, or use the keyboard shortcut, such as Ctrl+S on most PCs. Give your script a clear, memorable name so you can find it easily later. Good naming helps when you build multiple tools or keep versions for testing. With the code saved, click Add to Chart, located right next to the Save button. This applies your indicator or strategy directly to the chart you have open. If it's an indicator, you'll see it appear either over the price or in a separate pane below. If it's a strategy, you'll notice trade markers and performance data populate on the chart. If the Add to Chart button is disabled, double-check that you saved the script and that there are no compile errors showing in the editor. That's all there is to it. Log in and open a chart. Open the Pine Editor, create a new blank script, paste your code, save it, and add it to your chart. With these steps, you can bring your ideas to life in TradingView and start testing or visualizing them right away.